In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own completely free website using Weebly. This platform is incredibly beginner friendly and lets you create clean, professional looking websites without needing any coding or technical experience. Whether you want to share a personal blog, promote a small business, or eventually add an online store, Weebly gives you all the tools you need in one simple workspace. Once you create your Weebly account, you'll see an initial question asking whether your website needs an online store. If you're planning to sell products or services directly on your site, go ahead and select that option so e-commerce features are included from the very beginning. If not, you can skip this part and continue. You'll then be asked to choose a template. Weebly offers a wide variety of clean modern templates that work well for blogs, portfolios, service pages, and more. Take a moment to look through the options and pick one that matches the style and purpose of your website. And don't worry, you're not locked into your choice. You can always switch templates later. After selecting your template, you'll be taken into the Weebly editor, where you'll design your site. This is where everything starts coming together. The editor is visually simple and really intuitive, making it perfect for beginners. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar filled with different elements you can add to your page. Text boxes, images, buttons, forms, everything can be clicked or dragged directly onto your website. The drag and drop system is what makes Weebly so easy to use, because you can move things around until your page looks exactly the way you want. At the top of the editor, you'll notice several tool tabs. These tabs guide you to different features depending on what you're working on. When you click one, the options in the left sidebar change to match what you need. You may see tools for things like store settings, SEO, analytics, and more. Spending a little time exploring these tabs helps you understand how to fine-tune the appearance and functionality of your site. As you experiment with these tools, you'll quickly pick up how everything works, play around with elements, arrange your sections, try different layouts, and see what feels best for your vision. The more you interact with the editor, the more confident you'll become in shaping your website. Now that you understand the basics, you're ready to start building your own free Weebly website. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let your creativity guide the design. Happy creating!